Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both accounts so the transfer is clean and safe. Sign into the source Google account, open Google Photos, and confirm backup and sync is on. This ensures all current photos are uploaded. Once done, sign into or create the destination Google account and check its storage. Make sure there's enough space because transfers keep originals. If storage is low, purchase or free up space now. This prevents interruptions and makes the move predictable and reversible. Next, move the media using one of 3 practical methods depending on size and control. For simplicity, set up partner sharing from settings and share all photos to the destination account. Accept the library there and choose to save shared items. This preserves metadata. If you prefer direct control, download originals from the source and upload to the destination, which keeps file names intact. For very large libraries, use Google Takeout to export and then import the archive into the new account. It's slower but reliable. Finish by verifying that the destination account shows everything, scan albums, spot check dates and metadata, and open a few files to confirm quality. Once satisfied, revoke partner sharing on the source if you no longer want linked access, and optionally delete duplicates from the original account to reclaim space. If photos are missing or corrupted, check the source backup status, inspect Google Takeout export logs, and confirm the destination had sufficient storage during import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.